Hello guys, this is HVAC startup technician, and this morning you can see I have some refrigerant here. I got a scale here and I got my condenser, and I will be adding in some refrigerant to the unit. What I will be doing this morning is weighing refrigerant in, and I'm gonna need something like a pound of refrigerant, 16 ounces. So we're gonna get started, and we're doing R-410A. So we gotta do this as a vehicle. So let's get ready started. So I see I have my gauges hooked up here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this up. All I'm doing is opening up the valve. And when you're charging this, you gotta turn it down. Bear with me here, like this. So see here, me back up, see? And I'm gonna get over here where my lines is connected to my tank. Come over here, gotta bleed this a little bit here. So we're gonna go here. See that? That's good. Wow. So we have that bleed, and let's turn on a scale. If you ever see the scale here, this is the scale we're using. We're gonna turn it on here now. Give me 1 minute here, take this off. Just overlooked this morning, we might have a battery problem. It's pretty cold outside. Okay, so we have our scale here, and we're gonna start to put our refrigerant in. So to charge the system, we have to open this line here where the refrigerant, and we got to open our vapor side, and we're gonna start putting our refrigerant in. Okay, so here we go. Open a little bit. All right, so you open this line and this line, both of them, and when you're ready to stop how much refrigerant you want in here, then you close it back, and that is how you charge your system. Alright guys, thank you for viewing the video, and this is how you charge a system using R-410A. Alright, thank you very much.